Hello, everyone. This is Divya Bhargav, and I am the Senior Engineering Director for Greenplum database. And today, I want to walk you through this Greenplum 6.22 release. Let's get started. All right, here's the exciting list of features that we have for 6.22. There's a bunch mentioned here, and I'm going to help walk you through each of this one by one. Greenplum Streaming Server introduces a beta support for loading from RabbitMQ data source. You can load messages from RabbitMQ queue or a stream into Greenplum database. We have a whole other video dedicated to providing a demo for this feature, and I encourage you to go and watch that as well. The next feature we have is LDAP for PG Bouncer. We now have PG Bouncer distributed support for native LDAP authentication between the pSQL client and the PG Bouncer process. Again, how to set this up or a demo is available in a separate video, which I again encourage you to watch after this. Here's some exciting news for our data scientists. A new extension, PL Python 3U, is provided to support developing Python 3.9 functions with PL Python. The module comes with a whole bunch of functions as shown here. So that's really exciting. The Postgres HLL is a community module that you can use now with Greenplum. This provides native hyperlog log data types and relation functions, operators, and aggregates. So hyperlog log is a useful and interesting probabilistic data structure used to count unique values in a given data set with good accuracy and speed. Normally, to count unique values accurately, it requires memory proportional to the number of unique values. This becomes a problem when working with really, really large data sets. Hyperlog log solves this problem by allowing us to trade memory consumption for a tunable precision. So if you want to know how many million users you had who logged in yesterday to our system, you don't care about anything after the million digit, this is a perfect data structure to use, and we now support this with Greenplum. One more extension coming from the community. This is the IP4R. This provides data types for operations on IPv4 and IPv6 IP addresses. While we already have some Postgres built-in types like INET and CIDR, this provides a more performant way to deal with IP addresses with good index lookups. We also have an improved command center where you can now install a plugin to monitor GP text. So things like the status of the Greenplum text clusters or nodes and indexes, all of this can be monitored real time as shown on the screen. We have introduced Z-standard compression algorithm for gpfdist and file protocols. We've had several performance improvements in pgdump and gpexpand. We also have made some improvements to replicated tables DML operations where you could use Arca optimizer to do those operations. And last but not the least, we have been continuously making improvements to our support tooling. We have introduced a new view called GP sub-overflowed backend. And this helps users to determine the sub-overflowed backends, which could be causing a very heavy load on the system. And GPMT improvements have also come in where you can collect logs with backup and restore operations as well. Okay, and here's a final recap of all the features that we're bringing in with 622 release. And I'm really excited for this. I'd love for you to try this out and give us any feedback. Thank you.